Okay, so today's unboxing is the Donkey RS2 3.0 wireless mechanical keyboard. So this is the third version of their RS2 keyboard, which I believe is a 98% format. It still retains the numpad, but some of the function keys in between are narrowed, and then the numpad is brought over. There is the addition of a small screen here that displays multifunction information. It is a Gasket Pro structure design, 3 modes of wireless technology. I believe it is 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Comes with a standard USB cable, as well as Bluetooth. It also has a volume key here, but the back will have some more details. So multimedia screen control knob, which controls that, as well as other things like volume. Multifunctional screen, as I pointed out earlier. You can switch it between Mac and PC options. And Gasket Pro structure, 3 modes wireless technology, built-in sandwich silencer cotton plus bottom silicone filler, full key hot swap, multifunctional screen, so these switches are hot swappable. I think they have a 5-pin mounts, and so are compatible with basically all switches. There is the option to spec different keys, different switches. And I believe they offered 2 colorways. This one I believe is the blue one. Blue and white. Blue and cream, I guess. We'll find out. And you can spec 2 different types of switches. So I'll take the wrapping off here. It does actually say here. No, there's... So this is the fully assembled bare bone version, and you can see hopefully what's included in the box. Mechanical keyboard, 2.4 gigahertz receiver, USB-A to USB-C cable, user manual, switch puller, keycap puller, hexagonal screwdriver. Okay, let's open it up. So there's the keyboard, comes with a nice plastic dust cover. Pull out the keyboard itself, instructions, overview in Chinese only, with no English. Interesting. You have the USB cable here, so it's a pretty chunky design, nice and softish, fairly standard. Hexagonal screwdriver, this is probably to open up the back, and key switch puller. And that's it. So this is the main event. This is the keyboard itself, and these come with Kailh Reds, I believe I spec'd. There's also, Gatoron Speed Silver, I think. Sorry, the camera just fell off the mount. Nice save. So that's the back there. Receiver pops in and out. Nice adjustable 2-step feet. But we'll go ahead and just pop a switch off. Would be good to use a keycap puller for this. So we'll go ahead with the escape key. Display it out. There we go. Red Kailh switches there. Very nice feel. Very nice actually. And then you can pull the switch off. Like so. There we go. So that's the switches there, which can be replaced with a switch of your choosing. So it's battery powered, so it's actually switched itself on there. See if I can get it on again. Oh, there we go. and then you can see the screen light up there, James Donkey. So that'll give you readouts of your battery, 76%, which is the standard shipping charge, and you can see the RGB effect there, which is nice. And then the LEDs are shined through. So on the bottom, which is good. I think that's the modern way to do it. So that is, in brief, a quick unboxing of the James Donkey RS2 3.0 with the screen. Very nice.